membrane. It is always present in plants. It
Yeah.
can be though flexible and rigid, and it provides the cell both structure and support and protection.
Okay. Okay. Very good.
Thank you.
Very good.
Ma'am, I have one more point.
Now, anyone else? Beta, you tell your name also and center
Yeah,
name.
yeah, ma'am. The first who said was the Kabir, me. The
Acha,
And
first one who said.
now I said Sanvi Thakur, Thane.
Thane. Kabir Singh from
Ma'am, Dadar.
Dadar. Oh, you're from Dadar. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Acha. So Dadar mein, are you the new student to join Dadar this
Yes,
year?
ma'am. I am the new student for this year.
Oh, okay, that's why, we haven't met. Okay.
Ma'am, I am also a new student.
At Dadar?
Ma'am, I am also a new student at Dadar.
Ma'am, even I am a new student.
Even I am same.
Oh, a lot of Dadar students. So once I think if the lockdown opens up, then I might get to teach you. Looks like.
Ma'am, I am in Dadar only. I am new student.
Okay.
Ma'am, can we start?
Yeah. We have to start now.
Okay, ma'am.
Recording has started. So last lecture by far we have done up till what? Just tell me.
Cell wall.
Ma'am, tell us cell wall.
Miss Lior.
Miss, no, miss.
Ma'am,
Miss, we
ma'am,
have done till the
endoplasmic.
ribosomes
Ma'am,
and
endoplasmic.
endoplasmic reticulum. You
ER,
gave us
ER.
the functions
Yes,
for
ma'am,
RER and
Ma'am,
SER, and also
Yes.
the functions for endoplasmic reticulum.
Yes.
Yeah, we are done with. Ma'am, I had a doubt. Ma'am, can I go to the
RER.
previous slide?
Okay.
Ma'am, one second, can I go to the previous slide?
This one?
I had a doubt.
Haan, bolo. Tell me.
No, before that. Yeah, ma'am, do we have to No, ma'am. No, ma'am, ahead. That endocytosis was there, na? Endocytosis.
These are endocytosis, types
Yeah.
of endocytosis.
Ma'am, I had a doubt that the receptor mediated endocytosis, do we have to learn that also?
Oh, no. Beta, this is just for extra knowledge and
So
information.
this will not
Yes,
come
but
in the
please,
exam.
can you elaborate on receptor mediated endocytosis?
Can I explain that?
Yeah, miss, elaborate.
Elaborate on this. अच्छा बहुत simple है देखो the here in the normal pinocytosis the things were the molecules were coming on their own, okay, but here क्या है कि molecules when they cannot come on their own तो a special arrangement is made on the cell membrane. So outside these receptors,
Ma'am, these receptor, ma'am, these receptor receive which molecules?
but one thing I have to tell you guys, let's not get too much into details of receptor because this is not at your level. Okay? At your level, all you need to know is phagocytosis and the plain and simple pinocytosis. This is just to give a vague idea कि ऐसे receptors attach हो जाते हैं and the protein molecules attach at the lower side of the membrane, and then these receptors help to bring some molecules which cannot be absorbed in this way.
Okay, ma'am.
With the help of pinocytosis. So ऐसे molecule के ऐसे receptors attach होके and then a different kind of a vesicle is formed.
Okay,
But
ma'am.
so right now there's no point of knowing more than this. This is enough for you. समझा आपको?
Because we have to not learn the third one.
No. You don't have to learn. And as it is, you don't have to by heart anything. Once you understand the concept,
Yeah.
it's easier to, sort of understand.
Grab it.
Yeah. And all the question paper which you're going to get will be, it'll check your conceptual clarity and understanding of the concept. Okay. रटने वाला कोई काम नहीं है यहाँ पर, ये आप समझ लो, है ना? But since memory, bio में थोड़ा memory based होता है, so for that, consistent revision works.
Bio is of memory only.
No, not only memory. How will
Bio the conceptual maybe.
Yes.
Maybe it's a conceptual because we don't have any sums like physics and chemistry. We
Yes,
have only just concept part.
Yes, concept and revision of the concepts.
Yes.
That is it. concepts and matlab off and on you revise. Then you become.
Yeah.
Otherwise, if you don't understand phagocytosis,
And biology is even very easy to understand.
yeah, only when you understand it. If you don't understand it, then it's a lot of confusion.
Difficult, complex.
Hell lot of confusion.
Complications.
Yeah, hell lot of confusion there. So it is important to pay attention while your teacher is teaching and explaining you the concepts with the help of
Yes.
the diagram. And एक बार आपको
Ma'am,
समझ
vesicle is a ma'am. What is a water vesicle known as?
water vesicle.
Yes,
This one,
yeah.
this vesicle.
Vesicle.
This is no. See, this one is known as spinosome.
Spinosome.
Huh. This is phagosome and this is spinosome. But you know, you learn it as a vesicle only. There's no point. इतना आप इतना सीख लो बहुत है.
Okay.
Ma'am, so what are that squares and stars and that
Yes,
Water molecules.
They are molecules, you know, different substances.
Water molecules.
They are just to depict. So chalo, I'll mute all of you
Ma'am.
and I'll go further.
Okay,
Can
ma'am.
you explain about the genes a little?
Geez, one second, I'll explain you. See, this is DNA molecule. I explained you in the last class.
Yes.
DNA helical molecule given by Watson and Crick. तो DNA molecule का जो एक segment होता है, that is called as gene. Okay.
Oh,
And this segment helps in production of certain proteins. Okay.
Okay.
And that entire there's a process of production of proteins. Okay.
Okay. And we also have that ATCG this year onwards, right?
Yes. These are nitrogenous bases.
Yes.
So वो हम DNA molecule पढ़ नहीं रहे. There was one. So since now onwards, now whenever any question which I ask you to do, so what I'll do is I'll put it in that group, doubt group में I'll post my questions. Okay.
Yes.
Homework का questions.
Yes.
And then solve it, and then we'll have a discussion on it.
can you add us to the doubt
Okay,
group?
ma'am.
You are not in the doubt group? Please.
No, I am. Dhruv Thakkar, I am.
No, me, Kabir. I'm not there.
So better you should talk to your center coordinator. They do all these things.
Ma'am, the B batch of FB, remember, I was in that batch, so I am added.
Acha. So
Even I was there.
So whoever is,
Doing B batch first. Ma'am.
so whoever is not on the group, please join that group and
Okay, ma'am.
ask Bruce sir or your center coordinator to do that. They'll help you. Okay? Because lot of information you get from there. Chalo. Now I'll start with. So we have done with endoplasmic reticulum, right?
Yeah,
And
ma'am.
what is the number group?
Yes, ma'am.
Group number?
Your 8th June batch. Your 8th standard June batch, right? That
It is continued for the whole year, na?
The link is given in the our main group, June batch, in that. So we can join the link and we can go to the doubt session group.
Yeah. That link is supposed to be for that only.
Yeah, it's there in the group
हाँ.
of
तो
June
join
batch.
कर लो, वो join कर लो आप लोग.
Ma'am, can you please re-explain exocytosis?
Exocytosis. Okay, 1 second. Okay. Now here, as you know, endocytosis is the process in which anything enters a cell. Endo means entering, right? But exo is just the opposite of it. In exocytosis, when any molecule, whenever it has to go out of the cell, then at that point of time, this kind of phenomena occurs, right? This is a phenomena. This is a process which takes place when any product or any molecule, whenever it wants to go outside the cell, that time this phenomena occurs. अच्छा अभी कैसे होता है ये वाला वेसिकल क्या करेगा आएगा हाँ it is containing protein okay it will come it cannot cut it and go out this vesicle cannot cut and go out bump like a ball outside no okay what will it do it will go and join the cell wall of this vesicle I mean, this membrane of this vesicle and the membrane of the cell, they unite, they merge. ये join कर जाते हैं. Okay? ये join करके ऐसे join करेगा और फिर ऐसे करके it will open it up. And it becomes a part of this membrane and the products go outside.
Ma'am, what is the instrument through which they see all these things?
Oh, they are microscopes.
Ma'am,
Baba.
compound microscope.
Electron microscopes, compound, lots of they have very powerful tools.
Ma'am, endo means entering the cell and exo means exiting the cell.
Yes, perfect, perfect. Absolutely.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I have a doubt. So, like in plant cells, the cell wall is like outside the cell membrane, no? So, how does it leave the cell wall in plant cells in exocytosis?
Plant cell, they have different phenomena.
Ma'am, plasma membrane
Ma'am,
is
they are
towards
porous,
the inner
that's
side of
why.
the cell wall,
So
na?
cell wall, देखो.
Ma'am, plasma membrane is towards inside the cell wall, na?
Yes, yes. Plasma membrane, like till plasma membrane, both plant cell and animal cell are same. But in plant cell, क्या होता है? Over and above plasma membrane, another layer called cell wall comes. So that cell wall का कोई problem नहीं है. Plasma membrane ने बाहर भेज दिया. आगे cell wall है, and that is a porous membrane. Cell wall doesn't give any hindrance to any movement inside or outside. Okay, doesn't hinder any kind of a movement. It is totally porous. So children, now I move on to the this one. We did endoplasmic reticulum, right?
Yes, ma'am. We are done with this.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll do a fast recap of this
You
endoplasmic.
gave us the functions of endoplasmic reticulum and RER and SCR.
Yes, and structural details also I told you.
Yeah.
Ma'am, even of yeah.
So I'll just ask you some questions, huh? I'll just ask you some questions. So why this is
We have to speak or type in the chest.
no.
Chat.
Just speak it out, Abhi. Just
With name.
it's not a rapid fire or anything. Just quickly.
With name.
So why this is known as RER?
Ma'am, because
Because
ribosomes
it
are
is
present
RER.
over a RER.
Because it's rough endoplasmic reticulum.
Endoplasmic reticulum.
Because it has ribosomes in it.
That's why
Ma'am,
I
because
asked
it has
to
a
write in the chat box or
ribosomes
speak.
in that.
Because ribosomes are stuck on the RER, so what happens is that
Kabir.
this surface becomes rough.
Ma'am, this is Kabir. Ribosomes are present over the RER. That is why they are called
Hello,
rough
I got
endoplasmic reticulum.
Got
Ma'am,
it.
Ronit, ma'am, they are rough and they have ribosomes both.
Good. What is this phenomena? What is the structure known as this flat sac-like structure?
Ma'am, sister ne, Kabir.
Sister
Sister
name.
ne.
Sister
Ma'am, I
name.
Sister.
Kabir.
Heard.
Kabir, sister ne.
Fine,
Kabir,
fine,
sister ne.
fine. This is cistern. And what is this orange structure?
Smooth endoplasmic
Smooth.
reticulum.
Ma'am, and the downwards.
Used for metabolism.
Smooth endoplasmic reticulum.
Yeah, they are for lipid synthesis.
Yeah.
And ma'am, the downward, these are called tubes, like structures are called tubules.
Acha,
Kabir.
you know it very well.
Yeah, Kabir.
Acha, there are three functions I told you from endoplasmic reticulum. What was
Ma'am,
the
Ma'am, it is
transporting
transport channel. It
provides
provides
mechanical support.
mechanical support and
Ma'am, Ronit,
ma'am, tube-like structure of SCR is tubules. Ma'am, Kabir.
Chalo, I got it. Kabir, Ronit, and other people. Okay. So now I'll mute you all and then chatting system will start. You've understood. I don't have to repeat it now. I know it very well now. You all are
ma'am, I have a,
What?
ma'am, I have a, ma'am, what does lipid synthesis mean?
What does lipid synthesis mean? Now who's going to tell me what is lipid synthesis?
Ma'am, synthesis of protein.
Ma'am, can I say?
Protein-like structure.
Please
Synthesis
don't
of
ask,
protein.
just say.
Synthesis of protein. Something.
Synthesis of protein, lipid synthesis. What is lipid synthesis? What is protein synthesis?
Protein synthesis occurs in RER and lipid synthesis occurs in SCR.
So formation of lipid is lipid synthesis. Lipid को बनना, lipid के अंदर क्या होता है? Fat molecules होते हैं. So manufacture of lipid is lipid synthesis, and manufacturing of protein synthesis, protein is protein synthesis.
Ma'am, and as per the question of
Thank
Ronit,
you, ma'am.
that what is lipid? Lipid is something like a fatty acid or something contains that.
Acha, that was the question, huh?
Yeah.
You've understood. So, okay, now let's move on to the next. We did not do Golgi bodies, right? We did not do that.
No,
No, ma'am.
we
Okay.
didn't
No,
do the
ma'am.
Golgi bodies.
We have
So,
studied
very
Golgi
important,
Apaches.
another very important. So, I'll just mute all of you so there's very less disturbance. Uh, huh. So Golgi body is, as you can see, another very important, very important organelle which is present near the nucleus, near the endoplasmic reticulum, as you can see in this. And this Golgi body is also single membrane. Endoplasmic reticulum is also single membrane. So we are doing single membrane structures pehle, sabse pehle, among all the cell organelles. So this is located near the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Why? There is a reason about it. So we will talk about the reason very soon. Just now. तो उसके पहले हम लोग थोड़ा सा let's see what it is all about, who discovered it, etc. So Golgi bodies, the name of Golgi body is
Miss, I got disconnected for 5 minutes. Can you repeat again?
okay. So Golgi body is also known as Golgi complex.
I can't see your screen.
Sorry,
Yes, I can't see your screen.
you can't see the screen. Rest all can see the screen. Looks like everybody can see the screen. Can you all see the screen better?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You know what I'll do is I'll again share
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
I'll again share it. Maybe that's because you got disconnected now. Some wait. A
Yes.
second.
So all three names which are present in the bracket are the names for Golgi bodies.
1 second, bacha. Can you see now? Whoever was saying.
Ma'am, so Golgi complex, lipochandria, and
Huh. So yes, the question is Golgi bodies, Golgi complex, lipochondria, and Golgi some. These are all the names of Golgi bodies. So if they ask you, and there's one more name, Golgi apparatus. ठीक है? अगर कोई बोलेगा Golgi complex तो वो भी Golgi body ही होगा. Lipochondria बोलेगा तो भी Golgi body होगा. And Golgi some is also Golgi body. And it was discovered by a scientist called Camillo Golgi. In some books it is Kamelllo. In some books it is Illo. Millo. Camillo Golgi. After his surname, this organelle was named. And it is a single membranous structure, as I told you. It is present in all the animal cells except the mammalian RBCs. It is absent RBCs. RBCs, in fact, everything is absent in RBCs. And it is absent in mature sperms and bacteria. Okay. In plants, it is present, but it is known as dictyosomes. In plants, remember, there's a question which comes. What is dictyosomes or whatever, ribosome, centrosome? They'll try to confuse you. We will try to confuse you. Okay. So you'll have to be clear. It is known as dictyosomes there. It is composed of lipids and fats majorly. So hence it is also called as lipochondria. Fine. It is made up of lipids and fats. So it is also called as lipochondria. So is my voice clear? Somebody saying, is it clear? Clear na? Okay, good. So this is all about. Now we look at the diagram over here. It's now very important concept I'm going to explain you. Be very attentive in this concept. Now you'll have to tell me where is my cursor pointing now. Where is my cursor pointing? Just tell me. Right now, what is that structure? Purple structure. Yes, hurry up. Yeah, it is nucleus. It is nucleus. Now I shift my cursor. What is this structure? Over here. RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Why? What are these blue dots? What are these blue dots? Yes, these are ribosomes. Okay, अभी इसके अंदर ये purple, you know these purple molecules you can see. What are these purple molecules? Proteins. So as you know, rough endoplasmic reticulum में protein synthesis होता है, as I told you. So अभी आप ये देखो, now what happens, what is there? The thing is कि suppose you will have to assume a hypothetical situation. Suppose you buy, your mom gives you say 5-6 apples, okay, and she tells you to give it to one of the neighbors in the next tower, one of her friend, okay. So so how will you carry that apple? How will you carry that apple? Those apples, not apple, those apples in a bag. Yes, in a bag. Otherwise they'll fall down and they'll go here and there. Okay, so you will carry them, you'll put them in a bag and you'll carry. Good. So here also, you know, these molecules are made, और अगर ये molecule यहाँ पर गिरा देगा तो वो they'll get lost all over here. So what this endoplasmic reticulum, what it does is कि वो it tears off a part of its membrane. अपने membrane का एक part को वो फाड़ लेता है, okay, उसका, and it makes a bag sort of a thing. It makes a vesicle sort of a thing and puts the protein under this and packages it completely. It packs it in a ball. It tears off a, yes, it tears off a membrane ka part and puts the proteins, and it packages those proteins, and these proteins get packaged in the ball in a vesicle sort of a thing, and it sends this vesicle to the Golgis. Fine, it sends the vesicles to the Golgi bodies. This vesicle, since it is doing the transportation of those protein molecules, so it is known as transport vesicle. ठीक है, अभी ट्रांसपोर्ट वेसिकल गोल्जी बॉडी के पास जाएगा. Now, अभी you know, you must have seen, you must have you can think of a situation like in a factory there is this unit where these Parle G biscuits are manufactured. तो एक यूनिट पे मशीन से those Parle G biscuits are manufactured, right? तो बट टारगेट कस्टमर तक, मार्केट तक एंड कस्टमर तक ऐसे तो खुले खुले जा नहीं सकते. So there's another unit called packaging unit. Fine, do you send all these things to the packaging unit? Packaging unit क्या करता है, उसको जितना amount चाहिए, it measures and weighs and arranges them in a you know certain fashion, and then it covers it with a cover, plastic wrap, you know, that labeled cover, and with a picture of a child on that, on top of it. And finally, you know, it sends to the distribution unit of that factory. In trucks mein wo it is sent outside of the factory. Fine, and फिर वहाँ से it goes to the shops, retail unit, shops and all, and we buy from the shops, etc, etc. So yes, so now pay attention. So यहाँ से ये बन के आया protein molecules, then इस Golgi molecule, Golgi body के अंदर ये चला जाएगा. This transport vesicle, as अभी हमने exocytosis पढ़ा था ना, उसमें क्या होता है, उसका membrane, ये जो membrane endoplasmic reticulum का जो membrane का ये बना है, ये membrane इसको जाके join कर लेगा, इससे ये attach हो जाएगा membrane, okay? It will open and send the protein inside the Golgi body over here. The protein molecules, they go inside the Golgi bodies, okay? Then Golgi body modifies the proteins. उसके अंदर जो भी changes करना है, अगर इसको hormone में convert करना है तो hormone में कर देता है, अगर उसको वो उसमें convert करना है enzyme में तो enzyme में convert कर देता है, और अगर if it is a structural protein तो उसमें कर देता है. So it is, you know, modified over there. After modification, see, pay attention, pay attention first of all. I'll take you out, just pay attention. तो उसके बाद क्या होएगा, यहाँ पर ये वापस अपना membrane का piece यूज करके it will make another vesicle and this vesicle will go and cell membrane का membrane में ये vesicle join कर लेगा and open up करके बाहर protein को it will send it outside. So this happens between endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi body. Now, so I have a question. Now somebody has a doubt. Priyansha has a big doubt. Oh, a lot of children have doubts.
Miss, I have three doubts.
Yes, tell me. This is Priyansha, right?
Yes, Miss.
Tell me.
Miss, what does mammalian RBC, mature sperm and dictyosomes mean?
अच्छा. See, जब भी Golgi body अगर plant cell के अंदर रहता है ना, that same Golgi body, if it is an animal cell, it is called as Golgi body. But अगर plant cell में रहेगा तो उसको हम Golgi body नहीं बोलेंगे. There it is known as dictyosome. Understood?
Yes, Miss.
Second is, you have asked me what is mammalian RBC. RBC क्या होता है? I have a question for you. What is RBC?
Red blood cells.
Yes. And what is mammal? What are mammals?
We are. Yes, Miss.
We are all mammals. So our RBC is known as mammalian RBC. Okay. RBC of the mammals are known as mammalian RBC. Okay. And sperm is a male gamete. Male sex cells. Okay. They are used in fertilization and reproduction. ठीक है? So you've understood?
Yes, Miss. Got it.
Okay. Now, Dhruv Thakkar.
Ma'am, I had read somewhere that Golgi bodies are also called as Dalton complex.
Dalton complex.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am,
could be.
Dalton complex.
See, could be because in many books different information is also given. There are other names also which we don't know. I mean, which we don't study at your level. Okay. So as of now, whatever consultation I've done from your modules and little more like NCERT books, so I am incorporating all this material in this slide.
And teacher, I remember that ER, ma'am, SER is the skeletal framework of cell.
Both of the, yes, ER, smooth and this both, ये skeletal framework है, मतलब अंदर network से ना cell थोड़ा strong हो जाता है.
Okay, teacher. Yes.
Yeah, ma'am, Kabir here.
Yes, Kabir.
Ma'am, so the process is like that. The RER processes for lipid synthesis, and then it makes a vesicle which is called transport vesicle.
RER is protein synthesis.
Yeah, so it's a by mistake I said. So protein synthesis, it synthesizes protein and then it makes a transport vesicle which transports the proteins from RER to the Golgi bodies, and then it makes a structure of shape that it attaches to the Golgi bodies, and then the Golgi bodies according to the body need, it either makes it in a structure of hormones or some enzymes, and then it again makes a vesicle which goes to the cell wall, and then it again attaches to the cell wall, and then it releases the protein.
Perfect, exactly. This is what I'm trying to explain you. Exactly the same thing. Perfect. Bingo. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now Pranit Kamdar. Hello.
Yeah, Miss, what happens to the proteins after they are secreted outside the cell?
Outside. See,
like, where do they go?
Why do they go? Yes.
Very good. Where?
Yes, see, where do they go? Yeah, very good question. See, if they're hormones, they go out in the blood. Directly they get poured into the blood. If they're enzymes, then they go in the organs where they are needed. Okay, and if they are structural proteins, so muscles बनने में जो भी structural needs के लिए utilize होता है वहाँ चला जाता है. Building block भी तो होता है protein. So wherever it is needed, see that biscuit का example ले लो ना. जिसको खाना है, जिसके घर में छोटे बच्चे हैं, ऐसे जिसको खाना है उसके घर चला जाएगा जहाँ it is needed. right? Now Tanvi Chaudhary. Yes, Tanvi.
Yes, ma'am. So basically, the transport vesicle acts like the bag which is needed to carry the apples. You gave an
Yes.
example.
Yes.
And
Yes.
and the vesicle which you have marked after the Golgi apparatus is the same vesicle, right?
No, it is a different vesicle. It is a vesicle which is made up of the Golgi body ka membrane. See
Okay.
here, can you see the difference in the color? Here
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
on the color of the endoplasmic membrane. See, these people and our ER and Golgi, they don't have paper polythenes and all those things, na? बेचारे वो
Yes,
क्या
ma'am.
करेंगे? So what they do is, they poor guys, they just tear off their membrane and they package it and then they send it.
Okay.
So you बेचारा Golgi is doing over here, this side, and endoplasmic reticulum is doing over here, this side. है ना?
Yes,
How good
ma'am.
it works so well for us. See,
Yes, ma'am.
isn't it like surprising how nature is functioning inside us?
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं amazing है ना ये बात?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Now Arman Gupta. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So can you hear me?
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah. Clearly.
Yeah. So I had a doubt that, as you said, the ARIA, which produces proteins, so if it creates a transport vesicle to send those proteins to the Golgi body, so why doesn't that vesicle automatically, without going to the Golgi body, go out of the cell membrane? I mean, it is still packaging, right?
Yeah, it is packaging. Yes. So see, if the thing is कि ये जो है ना, अगर प्रोटीन को ऐसे भेज देगा directly, तो protein molecules will get lost. कोई इधर चला जाएगा, कोई इधर चला जाएगा. They'll get lost all over.
Yeah, I got that. You said that, but then the thing is that here, where there's it's written transport vesicle. Over here, so basically, when the RVR is producing certain proteins, for example, enzymes or lipids or whatever, so it is tearing off its membrane and to form a transport vesicle to send those proteins to the Golgi apparatus. But the Golgi apparatus is also doing the same thing. It is creating a membrane for the proteins. So I don't get it. That then why do you need a Golgi apparatus when the RER is capable enough to make a transport vesicle?
So you know what Golgi apparatus we need because it is modifying it. वो तो इसने basic raw material भेज दिया है यहाँ पर. Okay. So, but Golgi will add something, subtract something. See how it is. Your potato chips बनता है ना?
Like an editor.
Then all the condiments are added, and different kind of masalas and that is added to make it complete. Similarly, that kind of thing is happening over here.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Thank you.
And so that they can be utilized wherever. And one more thing which I'll just mention it, though it is not needed here in this class at this level. What happens is protein का जब chain बनता है भी आप आगे पढ़ोगे तो chain is formed. Protein is always formed in a chain. So chain का folding होता है. Okay, that chain folds in different fashions, and based on that folding, those folding is known as after folding, different structures are formed. So based on that folding, we come to know whether it has become hormone, whether it has become an enzyme, whether it is whether it has become a structural protein or whatever. So a lot of folding, lot of thing depends over there also. So all these things happen, processing happens over here. Hello. Now, Ronit. Now I'm going to proceed now further. Children, now, yes, up till here.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please tell me. What's your name, bacha?
Ma'am, Ronit.
Ronit, okay, tell me.
Ma'am, RER tears its membrane for transporting proteins. So, ma'am, why don't the RER membrane gets finished if every time it tears its protein membrane? for transporting
बेटा
protein.
membrane फिर से regenerate हो जाता है.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So now, till now, what I explained, I think you've understood. Okay. There's this question from Tanvi Chaudhary. So what is the difference between Golgi apparatus and... Oh, there's a lot of difference here. Golgi apparatus, RER is attached to the nucleus, and their structural details are different, and their function is different. It is studied with ribosomes. Protein are made over here. Whereas Golgi bodies, they just modify, they just package, and they just send it outside. And I'll tell you the detailed structure outside in the next slide. They have entirely different job and different structure also. Okay. And here, as you can see, ये देखो smooth RER भी दिखा है. Smooth ER is also shown over here. Yes, Harleen Singh, what's your doubt? You can speak out. Do I have to unmute you?
Ma'am, I was asking, ma'am, if they are in the RER, they are packaged and sent to the Golgi apparatus. Why can't they directly sent outside the cell? And why do they need to come?
No. Golgi apparatus does all the processing. Finishing part होता है यहाँ पर. अरे कोई चीज बनाते हैं तो आपकी फैक्ट्री में बनता है तो फाइनल फॉर्म में थोड़ी ना बनता है. उसको फाइनल कट वट करके साइजिंग होता है, देन अरेंजिंग होता है, एंड देन इट इज सेंट ना, एंड देन पैकेजिंग होता है, देन ओनली. सपोज आई फॉर एग्जांपल पार्ले बिस्किट का या मैगी का एग्जांपल ले लो, तो मैगी थोड़ी ना ऐसे भेज देगा बाहर. It has to be, one size. It has to be measured, and it has to be, packaged, and that masala packet has to be put inside. Then only it can go, na?
Yes, ma'am.
That kind of thing happens.
Yes, ma'am.
So children, I am moving. Yeah, I have some questions. Children, I am moving ahead. Enough of discussion on this slide, and you have understood the phenomena that I know. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So,
thank you.
Yeah. So there are some questions. I'll just have a look at these. Miss, protein chains are also called amino acids. Yes, protein chains are also called amino acid chains because they're made up of amino acids. Is it just raw protein or Golgi of body apparatus and modifies it according to perfect? Ma'am, are you going to share the functions of lipochondria? But lipochondria and Golgi body is same thing. Kabir Singh, lipochondria is the name of Golgi body. Another name of, see, I told you now, there are 3-4 names: Golgi-some, Golgi apparatus, and Golgi body and lipochondria. Okay? So I'll go now to the next slide. So take the picture first of all. Take the screenshot, all of you. Hurry up. And put a D over here. Put a T. Sorry, I also forgot. You know what to do, what to put now. I don't have to remind you. I'm waiting, one more thing, children. Somebody in the class who's going to take the responsibility of putting these pictures of today's lectures in the group. Can someone take the responsibility? Sanvi Thakur. Perfect. You will take the responsibility. Okay. So अभी आज के lecture में एक तो आप ER का ले लो. Screenshot should go in today's lecture. We have discussed this and this वाला यहाँ से ER से start कर लो, right? Then I am moving on to the next. Now this is a detailed ultra structure of Golgi body. Now as you can see the names of different things. All this, please put your hand down. I'll discuss later on. But let me explain. So Golgi body ka, if you look at the structure, it is also these flat sac-like structure and they are also called cisternae. Even over here they are known as cisternae. Okay. And they have tubules also. यहाँ पर अगर आप देखो तो these are tubules over here. Here and down, there are number of tubules. Tubules means thin tubes. Here you can see one tubule. Okay. Vesicles. Vesicles जो अभी हमने बताया, secrete those vesicles. So that vesicle which is formed, यहाँ से you can see this vesicle which is, vesicle which is coming, going. So if they contain secretory material, then it is called a secretory vesicle. Secretory material means that protein only. Okay. Then there are two phases of Golgi bodies. ये important है. Please pay attention. Huh? There is one cis phase and one trans phase. Cis phase and one trans phase. ऐसे. Cis phase is a phase which is towards the nucleus or the endoplasmic reticulum. यहाँ से they receive the transport vesicle. See, here you can see incoming transport vesicle. From the cis phase, the transport vesicles come inside. They enter. They are the entry point of the transport vesicle. And दूसरा phase है जो कि cell membrane की तरफ होता है. Final secretory vesicle, जो final vesicle बना था ना, remember, final package vesicle. That phase is towards the periphery. Periphery means that cell membrane. Periphery means outer membrane. So vesicles come out from this. And this is the mature phase. This is known as the mature phase. Okay. So this is, so just take the picture, screenshot of this. And you tell me. Hurry up, na. Take the screenshot and put a T there. Hurry up. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Okay. Dancing mouse. Now, children, have you understood whatever I explained you? So, आप इसको वो बोलो, CC बोलो, if you've understood. Vedin Sangal has got a doubt. And बहुत ज़्यादा detail में, now this is enough knowledge I'm giving you. Yes, Vedin Sangal.
Yes, ma'am. So basically, in Golgi bodies have a different name in like animal and plant cells. So are their functions the same?
Yeah, yeah.
Just the name is different, nothing else.
Yes.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, Harleen. Yes. Ame, what's your doubt, please? Ame, please put it in the chat, beta. It takes time to unmute you guys, and sometimes it's hard to unmute also. Who's that? Whoever wants to.
Yes, ma'am.
talk.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, please tell me. Huh?
Ma'am, so the cis phase and convex phase are not present in ER.
Huh? Sorry?
The cis phase and the trans phase.
No. They are just present in Golgi's. Krishna said, I didn't understand periphery. अच्छा, periphery का मतलब होता है outer boundary. Okay? So, outer boundary. And in this case of cell, what is the periphery? Tell me. What is the periphery? Tell me. In the case of cell, animal cell, what is the outermost boundary? Please put it in that. Yes. Cell membrane is the outermost boundary. Okay. No, it's not trans phase. So, ये जो है ना, this Golgi body का ये वाला phase जो होता है, I'll just show you the previous slide. Children, don't get confused. Now, in this case, ये जहाँ पर ये transport, this side is the cis phase. If you see my cursor, cis phase is always facing the endoplasmic reticulum. Your entry cis phase से transport vesicle की entry होती है. Transport vesicle comes from cis phase, and after processing and everything, it goes out from the trans phase. And here the periphery is this. This is the outer periphery, and trans phase is located towards the outer periphery. समझा आपको? Now you'll have to tell me. Where is the, what is this? Just tell me, put it in the chat. Where is my cursor pointing? Tell me. Periphery. Yes, periphery. Periphery मतलब outer boundary. And यहाँ पर outer boundary है cell membrane. Found? Periphery is English word actually. Okay. Now, which phase is this? Which phase is this? Tell me. First, trans phase. Okay. Now somebody is asking what is the function of, and which phase is this? Cis phase. Now the function of cis phase is to receive the transport vesicles. Function of cis phase is to receive the transport vesicles. Samjha? I want to answer. What is the function of cis phase now? Please tell me the answer. Please tell me. पढ़ तो लो पहले. To receive the transport vesicle. Fine. Yeah, understood. Sanvi, what's your doubt, bacha? Yes, Sanvi.
Can you explain the vesicles one more time?
Vesicle is just a ball of membrane which
No, not
contains
this one, other one, the next one of the Golgi apparatus.
No, you want me to show it, huh?
No. I want to know that what is the vesicle in this one.
In this, the vesicle is this, and this, and these vesicles. This is the incoming vesicle, outgoing vesicle. Okay, this vesicle will also go out. This vesicle is going to enter the Golgi transport vesicle. Okay.
Okay.
And like these vesicles, these are in the process of formation only.
Yeah. So they're modifying the proteins and sending out via vesicles.
Yes.
Okay.
Now somebody is asking what is the function of trans phase. Now please tell me what is the function of trans phase. I'll make it public. Please tell me what is the function of, yes, cell membrane is the periphery. What is the function of trans phase?
It takes out the proteins.
Yes, it dispatches
behind part.
Yes, it dispatches the protein. It sends it out. Okay. So I'm going to, yes, Ame. Ame? No. Chalo. So shall I move on to the next slide? Just put a M over there. Hurry up. Is it a CC for you? First CC, tell me CC fatapat, crystal clear? Okay. Good. Now shall I move? M. Have you taken the picture? We will clear it in the next slide, Ame. Okay. So I will M now. M means move now. Now the functions of the Golgi body. So first of all, you take the picture, the screenshot. Okay. So now I'll explain you. So function of Golgi bodies, as I told you, it is packaging and dispatching, you know. Packaging and dispatching. Uske upar se it modifies and packages and dispatches. Then production of vacuoles and vesicles. Okay. See, vacuoles are also, you know, they are also like vesicles only. तो vacuoles भी बनाता है ये, और vesicles तो आपको पता ही है. And then it helps in the synthesis of cell wall also. Cell wall synthesis is also done by proteins. I mean Golgi. And plasma membrane also. And lysosome, you will study lysosome also today. So lysosome ka bhi, it does the manufacture of lysosomes. Okay. Then I told you modification of the proteins, glycoproteins and glycolipids. So all these are formed over here, glycolipids and glycoproteins. This kind of a जैसे protein है और उसमें एक sugar molecule add कर दिया, so it becomes glycoprotein. Okay, and then it forms, very important, this comes in MCQs, it forms a anterior part of sperm. Sperm is the male gamete. Oh, okay, sorry. It forms the anterior part of the sperm. Acrosome is formed by the Golgi bodies. Meaning of anterior part. Anterior means आगे का. Now what is anterior? Anterior, you know, जैसे अभी आप pen पकड़ के if you write with your hand, pen, you hold that gel pen na. So the point with which you write, you know, that tip of the pen which writes on the paper, that is the anterior part. आगे का portion, you know, rocket का portion जो होता है ना, ऊपर pointed portion होता है rocket का, rocket which goes in the space, that is the anterior part. Okay, front part. Okay, just take the screenshot and put a T there. Hurry up, है ना? Screenshot and T. Yeah. Yes. It is the front part of the sperm. Acrosome is the front part of the sperm. That is the front part of the sperm. So, okay. Now Kabir wants to ask some question. Yes, Kabir?
Yeah, ma'am, you explained that cell wall is formed by the synthesis of Golgi bodies only. Golgi bodies helps in the synthesis of cell wall. How it helps in the synthesis of cell wall
How?
then?
See, the thing is कि cell wall जिस molecule से बनता है, so they are kind of manufactured क्या ना, protein and all these things are modified over here. So raw material gets prepared over here. Modified, yeah.
So some proteins are also modified for cell wall.
Yes.
Okay,
And some plasma membrane also,
for
that light
enzymes and hormones, some for them.
see plasma membrane में क्या होता है, phospholipids होता है ना, phospholipids.
Yeah.
So that modification happens over here only. Okay. So as all those addition of two molecules together.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Now, Amey, what's your doubt, beta? Just speak out your doubt. Raise your hand, I'll unmute you. Amey, you were asking, na? Amey, yes.
Ma'am, it's Tanvi here. I wanted to ask the same doubt, so I forgot to lower my hand.
I want Amir's hand up, please. Can I do? You were asking in your last slide also. Okay. Yes, Amir.
Ma'am, when proteins will be finished in our body, so the structure of Golgi bodies are closed.
What? फिर से बोलो. Again.
Ma'am, when proteins will be finished in our body, so
But
the
the protein synthesis keeps on happening. It keeps on happening.
I'm like reproduction in humans. They can reproduce.
Reproduction though it does not happen all the time, but you know what, in our body, see, we need enzymes all the time. Whenever we, at least, you know what, like for digestion we need tons and tons of enzymes and juices and all those things.
Yeah.
It is continuously needed in a body.
Yes.
Okay, and all the hormones are also continuously needed in a body.
Okay.
Right. So
Yeah.
proteins are always.
What are the functions of hormones?
Ma'am,
That I'm not teaching. See, I'm not teaching
For
hormones
the physical
right
structure.
now. For a lot of things, hormones are needed, Baba.
For also the physical structures.
Yeah, for the physical structure, for growth, there are some growth hormones are there. So there are some sexual hormones are there. There are adrenal is there. You know, lot of hormones and different functions. That is a different endocrine system. वो तो आप पढ़ोगे detail में. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's there in my school.
One second, Pranit Kamdar. This protein which is produced for cell wall is transported to other cells through plasmodesmata. How you can say so?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes. What's your name? Pehle batao.
Amay.
Amay, yes. And what is the meaning of your name? Pehle bolo. What is the meaning of your name? Amay?
2 minutes. What the meaning है?
You're asking your mom or somebody?
Ma'am.
Chalo. Ask your question. Yeah, chalo.
Ma'am, my name. Sorry. Ma'am, beggars sometimes will not eat, so that they have no proteins in their body.
Oh no, they'll die if they eat something or the other. They keep on eating, Baba. ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है. If they don't eat, they will die.
No, ma'am. 1 day, 2 days, that they will not eat, na.
So they will not eat, and then the body has this fat molecules, everything is there, na? So the fat molecule will be consumed. See what happens if you don't eat for a very long time, तो आप पतले हो जाते हो ना?
Yes,
होता है ना? When you stop. So what happens is your fat adipose tissue is there inside the body part, so it gets consumed.
Yellow tissue.
Yellow adipose tissue.
Okay. Ma'am, thanks.
Yeah. So last doubt, then I'll move on to the next. Yes, Dhruv Thakkar. No. Okay. So I'll move on. So have you taken the screenshot? Shall I move? M. Very important. This thing we'll have to do another organelle, which is very neat. You need to understand it. Okay. So another single membraned organelle, very important organelle. This is also very important, and a lot of questions from test point of view also. This is important. So a lot of questions also come onto this. Come from this organelle. It is lysosome. Lysosomes. अभी हमने क्या किया, एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम को रिवाइज किया, रिकैप किया, एंड देन गोल्जी को डिटेल में पढ़ा, एंड देन लाइसोसोम्स. लाइसो का मतलब होता है, इट मींस डाइजेस्टिव, zoom means body. Okay, so lysosome is a digestive body. Okay, it is the organelle which has the digestive juices in it. It is the stomach of the cell, you can say. Okay, now as you can see in this diagram over here, यहाँ cell में ऐसे ये structures पड़े हुए हैं. यहाँ पर ये lysosome है. It is a spherical structure. Okay, and inside this there are juices, digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes are present over here. Okay, don't read, just pay attention on the cursor. These are digestive enzymes. And if you look at the cell over here, you can see this is the nucleus. Okay. And here, these blue structure, channel-like structures, this is endoplasm. I have to ask, one second. I have to ask one thing. What is this? What are these blue structures? I have to ask you guys. Come on, help me out. ये क्या है? Tell me, मेरा cursor जहाँ पर है वो क्या है? ER है. Very nice. And what is this structure? This one? Golgi. Very good. Golgi bodies. Okay. Now we move on to this round structure. This is, what is this? Round structure? Lysosome. So all these three structures which we have studied so far, ER, Golgi bodies and lysosomes, these are all single membrane structures. Remember, ये क्या है सारे? Single membrane organelles. Okay? Single membrane organelles. Now this is single membrane. As you can see, it's written over here. आपने इसका screenshot लिया? I want T's over here. First of all, take screenshot and give me a T. Hurry up, hurry up. Very good. Good. So here, so they are formed by, these are single membrane structures. Discovery was done by a scientist called Christian Duve. Okay. And it is formed by Golgi bodies. Whenever they ask you कि lysosome कहाँ से form होते हैं, Golgi body से form होते हैं. Lysosome Golgi bodies बनाता है. Understood? Now in ये इसके अंदर what is it? This is a spherical sac-like structure. They contain digestive enzymes. This is all digestive enzymes इसके अंदर होते हैं. Okay. See, Golgi body बनाता है ना? Remember I told you Golgi body के अंदर ही modification होता है and they make vesicles. So these are the vesicles which Golgi body leaves inside the cell also only, and it converts those proteins into digestive enzyme बना देता है और इसको circle को इसके अंदर ही छोड़ देता है वो इस वाले organelle को. They are abundant in the cells of digestive glands, obviously because they have digestive enzymes. Now they contain, what kind of enzymes are digestive enzymes? कैसे होते हैं उनको हम, we also call them hydrolytic enzymes. Okay. There are some examples of hydrolytic enzymes: proteases, amylases and lipases. Okay. Enzymes का नाम लिखा हुआ है. Proteases, I'll just take annotation pen and I'll show you over here. Okay. This is one digestive enzyme, proteases. This is another digestive enzyme. This is another. They are also called as hydrolytic enzyme. Digestive enzymes का दूसरा नाम है hydrolytic enzymes. Okay. So these are the different. So this proteases digest proteins as the name suggests. Very easy. Amylases, they digest carbohydrates. And lipases digest lipids. Digest कैसे करता है? Lytic मतलब cut करना. If you take a big, like if you want to cook a vegetable, right? अगर आपको suppose दूधी को cook करना है, तो आप पूरा का पूरा दूधी तो cook नहीं कर सकते ना. उसको आपको छोटे-छोटे pieces में cut करना पड़ेगा, chop करना पड़ेगा. Similarly, and then it will be cooked easily, and then our body will be able to digest it properly. Similarly, this also cuts all these molecules. Okay. This also cuts all these molecules into small chops the molecules of proteins, carbohydrates and lipids with the help of these enzymes. This enzyme का नाम lytic. Lytic मतलब to cut. Meaning of lytic is to cut. Understood? This is the meaning of lytic. So guys, did you understand this much? This one? We are not going to learn about RBCs and WBCs over here because that we learn in tissues and you don't have tissue in your chapter. Next chapter which we are going to do, I will tell you that phenomena, Aditya, aage jaake. So they are known as digestive bags also. And there's another very famous name called suicidal bags. That I'll tell you later on in the next lecture. So अभी तक आपको समझा ये? Next chapter, children, after cell in your course is microorganisms. Okay, we will do microorganisms. No rapid fire. Abhi ruk jao. So have you taken the screenshot of this? Tell me quickly. Okay. Let me see the next slide if you can understand it properly. This diagram I'm going to explain you in the next class, but because you won't be able to understand it today. Lot of vesicles and all those things you've studied of. So I'll just tell you this functions. I'll just go through the functions. Just take the screenshot first. पहले screenshot ले लो. First take the screenshot आप लोग ले लो. Hurry up, and put a T there. I'm waiting. Taken? Good. So I'll just explain you, do the explanation. Intercellular digestion means, as I told you just now, these enzymes are full of digestive enzymes and they digest proteins, lipids and fats, they cut them. Okay, so they are known as digestive bags. Okay, then they destroy foreign particles. Remember we have done endocytosis, अभी हमने phagocytosis पढ़ा था. वैसे ही फॉरेन पार्टिकल्स को लेके ये उसको वेसिकल्स बना के उसको डाइजेस्ट कर लेता है. Then it digests foreign material, food material also. Remember that phagocytosis phenomena we studied in that slide? Okay. Then you know what? See, every system in our house, we have to remove the garbage. There is some disposal system. Okay. There is some disposal system. I will take rapid fire, don't worry, but it will be only for 5 minutes or something. So don't get very worried about it. First, just pay attention what I'm explaining. Okay, just first pay attention. So it removes the garbage also. मान लो कोई सेल का पीस टूट गया है, कोई ऑर्गेनल डैमेज हो गया है or something, then it digests that organelle inside the juices. Okay. Now what happens is, why this is also called, this is very important. This is also called as suicidal bag. Right. Also called as suicidal bag. This is also called as suicidal bag. Understand why? In case of any cell damage, lysosome burst. क्या होता है? ये burst हो जाता है lysosome, and the whole digestive juice gets scattered inside the cell. Okay, and the whole cell gets it finishes itself like a suicidal bomber ना. Suicide bombers होते हैं ना वैसे. We should not use this word now. I don't like this word these days because of that incident now which happened. So that's why it digests its own self. So they are known as this also. Understood? I don't want to name that. Priyansha. Don't want to name it also. So children, you've understood up till here. आपने इसका screenshot लिया? And this diagram, all these phenomena, I'll explain in the next class. Otherwise, you will get all confused. You will get all confused. This phenomena. Let me see which is the next slide. So, ribosomes. This phenomena I'm going to explain in the next class. So take this screenshot quickly. अच्छा 5 minutes are left. तो थोड़ा सा I'll ask you ना. I'll just ask you some questions.
Here are the top search results.
Okay. Arman Gupta, some doubts. If you have any doubts. So children, now I'm not going to, yes, ribosomes are non-membranous, which we are going to do in the next class. Ribosomes, centrosomes, we will do in the next class. They are non-membranous. And after that, we will do mitochondria and chloroplast. They are double membranous. Okay, and then some microbodies also we'll do. And with this, we'll finish the chapter. So 2-3 more sessions we need. Like there's one perioxysomes, etc. also. So very small. Yes, Arman Gupta, what's your doubt, beta?
Ma'am, I didn't really have a doubt. I wanted to share something. That
please.
This why lysosomes are called suicidal bags, and because actually it is pretty much linked to cancer, because cancer cells are actually cells that have some damage, but because of some reason they do not finish themselves. The lysosomes do not work in them, and so they become they actually cause a problem to the immune system. So basically lysosomes you can also study in Peto's paradox when you study Peto's paradox, which is related which is basically cancer paradox. So that is when lysosomes so basically cancer cells happen because they have some damage, but the lysosomes do not work, and
they are not functioning properly over there.
So the cell then starts to mutate and starts to cause this problem. So those all
so these cells, number one, they produce toxins, and number two, there's abnormal cell division. They grow at a very, very fast rate. Abnormally, they start growing. So that's how cancer cell, there's some malfunction inside it. And lysosomes and some organelles stop functioning properly over there.
Yeah, so that's why, and because they mutate, they even these cells start to multiply much faster than any normal.
Yes. Abnormal cell division starts to take place. Perfect. Okay, Aditya Kulkarni, you want to ask something better?
Teacher, the liquid, digestive liquid which is present inside the lysosomes is very important. Means it is very acidic, and it is very important also, no?
Yes, it is very important. It is an enzyme, digestive enzyme.
It also helps in digestion, no?
Yeah, it helps in digestion. It helps in digestion of protein, lipids, and carbohydrates.
Okay, Rishu.
Yeah. So are they lysosomes sometimes called life killers नहीं बोलते क्योंकि life killers इसलिए नहीं बोलते अंश गुप्ता इसको because cell which is not properly there is some problem in the cell, then it will create some problem in the body of the organism, so that cell has to be eliminated from the system. So children, all those who are who have no doubts can leave the session if you want, and the rest, all those who have doubts can continue.
Yeah, so ma'am, in the PACE exam, will there be a ABCD MCQ questions or written questions?
MCQ. Always you will get MCQs here. So PACE is basically focus on conceptual learning. Okay, and MCQs judge the conceptual clarity very nicely. It is not rad ke likhna over here at all.
Okay. And so what type of questions will be asked in the exams basically of theory?
Suppose for
Functions
example,
or
theory you'll not get theory at all. Theory you'll not get.
conceptual.
Yeah, only MCQs. And with the MT, that is the major test where 2-3 chapters come together of all the subjects. Like portion is big in that. Okay, like quarterly exams. Okay. So MT में बहुत सारे chapters पे all multiple choice questions. And one is TWT, which is topic wise test. That means after this cell, you will get a test. After every chapter, you'll get a test of all the subjects, combined together. So for example, I don't know if you've attended any kind of a example.
If I take if I want to take a test of lysosome, so how will the question come on lysosome?
So I'll tell you. So suppose what organisms are called as societal bags? That is the question. Or name the organelle which is also called the societal bag. Options: mitochondria, ribosomes, centrosomes, and lysosomes. So the answer would be lysosome.
Okay. So basically, it will be more of conceptual part.
Yes, conceptual. The brain of cell. Brain of cell is following: nucleus, Golgi.
Nucleus.
I mean, I'm telling you the options: nucleus, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum,
nucleus.
Nucleus. So that way.
Nucleus, no?
Yeah.
So can we also play a rapid fire for 5 minutes?
Rapid fire. I'll just ask you a few questions, 4-5 questions. ऐसे ही.
Rapid
but
fire.
Yeah, rapid fire ये बोलो या कुछ. So just so what is the other name of Golgi body? Tell me fast. One name of which starts with L. Which starts with L. Hurry up. Only one person has answered. Kabir say lipochondria. Advait. Yeah. Advait. Name which starts with L is lipochondria. Okay, fine. Then which phase of Golgi body receives the transport vesicle? Which phase of Golgi body receives the transport vesicle? Correct. Cis phase. Okay. Cis phase. Kabir Singh, Brinda and Adiraj. Dian. ठीक है. Okay. Now tell me, what is the flat sac-like structure present in both endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi body? Is present in both. Yes. Cisternae. Correct. Cisternae. And the fourth question would be, one second. What is Golgi body called as in plant cells? What is Golgi body known as in plant cells? Correct. Adhiraj, Kabir, dictyosomes is the answer. Correct. Correct. Dictyosomes. Okay. Tani Chaudhary, Diane, everybody. Okay. Then the last question for today is Name one hydrolytic enzyme. Name one hydrolytic enzyme which acts on proteins. Hydrolytic enzyme which acts on proteins. Correct. Kabir Singh, proteases, correct. Proteases, Tanvi Chaudhary, correct. Lipase is wrong. It is proteases. Lipases acts on lipids. So children, with this I finished the chapter today and revise the chapter. Okay. And revise it. And if I have to give you one question or something, I'll give you in that. And please join that doubt group. In the next class, I'll explain you this and I'll cover ribosomes and I'll try to cover centrosomes. Analysis acts on what? I don't know. Amylases. Analysis the amylases. Amylases acts on carbohydrates. Amylase acts on carbohydrates. Chalo, okay. Bye-bye, children. Take care. Have a nice weekend. Bye. Revise what we've done and start solving those multiple choice questions. Bye-bye.